There you are.
I know. It's a growth. I'm having it removed next week.
Nice hair.
Oh, that milk is so far away. I'm so hungry. I have such a big date tonight. I'm so excited. Oh, I guess I need some cereal. There it is. Oh, I love that cereal. It's so yummy.
That milk's good too.
Yep, that's my cereal. Oh. And I love a little bit of milk in my cereal. And when I can't catch the lid. Gotta work on the eye-hand coordination.
That cap is tasty too.
It is. Or a little bit of milk in there. Just a smidge.
Oh.
Perfect. This is gonna taste so good. Ready for my cereal. There's my spoon. So delicious. I wonder how I looked this morning. I don't think I can have another bite. Maybe just.
Love the nose.
Alright, I'm good on the cereal. Yeah, I'm feeling refreshed. Okay, where to start for my big date? First I should look in the mirror or something, but oh, I don't have to do much. That's great. Alright, so a little bit of a blush would be nice. Put some rose into those cheeks. Little milk and blush. Goes so far. That's lovely.
Oh.
A little on the nose for that sun-kissed look. Alright, so. Oh, that lump on my back is just really giving me a little bit of lipstick now. It's my favorite flavor. Good stuff. Now it's a little bit of eyeshadow. There's that eyeshadow. I just can't wait. He's so nice. I met him on Facebook. A little bit of eyeshadow. Oh, I look better than I've ever looked before. Awesome. Perfection. All right. I'm all ready.